Hello there and welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. So what have I got for you today? Well, it's compact, shall we say. It's the Yamaha BOP LC50 and it's a 1982, so it's basically going to be tax and test exempt anytime now. In fact, it already is, sorry. Yeah, we're in 2023, aren't we, at time of filming. So yeah, this will be tax and test exempt. The Yamaha BOP LC50. Awesome little bike. I mean, just look how much fun that is. Obviously a little two-stroke, so I've just had it started just to make sure it starts for video. Smells great. So currently showing just over 5,000 miles. And yeah, absolutely brilliant if you've got a motorhome, camper van, nice and lightweight for the back of that. Absolutely perfect for that. So we'll just have a quick cheeky walk round. Obviously there's not loads to show you on these. It does have new tyres front and rear, amazingly. Little fuel tank under there, all nice and clean as you can see. It's been well looked after. I will do a start up in a minute just to refill the corridor with two-stroke smoke, which whether it comes out of one of these or an RD or whatever it comes out of, that smoke just smells beautiful. I'm sure it's no good for my lungs, but you know, it does smell beautiful. So we'll do a quick cheeky start up in a minute, which headphone users, you don't need to be alarmed or prepared for that. I can guarantee that. But what a great little bike. You can almost pick this up. Weighs next to nothing. Good fun little bike. And like I say, you know, if you've got a camper on a motorhome, absolutely brilliant. So yeah, let me just, I've just turned it on there and let's just give it a kick. Oh. There we go. Not bad doing that with camera in hand today. Normally I fail on that one. Look at that, sweet as a nut. Automatic, twist and go. And like I say, now it's of an age now, it's 1982, so it's going to be tax and test exempt. Makes it perfect for, you know, just having on the back of the camper type of thing. So yeah, obviously the bike, we'll check the bike over prior to coming out. Obviously it doesn't need an MOT, that type of thing. We can offer nationwide delivery on this. I think because of the price of it, we'll struggle on finance. You know, it's a low end price bike. But if you want to know a little bit more about it, there is a description below, a price and also a link to our website where you'll find a load of photos as well. But this is going to be a very short video, folks, on this LC50 or the Yamaha BOP 2, which I just love that name. I think it's such a great, I think it's a great looking bike, to be fair. A little 50, iconic, legendary little machine. So yeah, nice little bit of kit. Ooh. So yeah, if you've got any questions on that bike, you can give us a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you want to come down and have a butcher's at this, measure up, see if it fits and that kind of thing, no problem at all. But if you're travelling, always give me a call before you set off, just to make sure the bike is available in stock for viewing, etc, etc. Okay guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. Like I said, it was always going to be a short video on the LC50, on the little BOP here. But don't forget, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, tick that bell for notifications for me. I really do appreciate the support. And don't forget, if you're passing Doncaster, pop in for a brew. Kettle's always on, folks. And other than that, stay safe out there, look after yourselves, and hope to see you all very soon. Cheers for watching. Have a good day.